build your dreams. Specifically, the Atto3. This is what we are test driving right now. The latest sensation in electric car ownership right here in Malaysia. Now, for a made in China vehicle, this comes with a lot of interesting features, soft touch material everywhere, interesting door handle, guitar strings to keep you occupied, a driver's seat that looks like it should be in a sports car, and then you've got tilt and slide sunroof, powered of course, huge screen in front with an interesting feature. Now that is interesting, but it shouldn't be the selling point of this vehicle. The selling point of this vehicle is actually how it drives, how it feels, and what it delivers in terms of performance. 204 PS, 310 Newton meters of torque from a single electric motor, front wheel drive. Top speed is 160 kilometers an hour, which is good enough because electric cars are not supposed to go very fast in terms of top speed. Of course, the battery pack is right at the bottom here, and you've got all these interesting apps and features on the screen in front, which you'll get time to get acquainted with it and find out how useful it is. But what we want to say is this is an electric car that has actually tickled a lot of Malaysian interest at a price of 169,000 ringgit, because this is the extended range model, which gives you a possible 480 kilometers of driving range. That's very, very good driving range for a car costing below 200,000 ringgit. And on top of that, charging time is about, for AC charges about 9 hours, which you can do overnight while you're resting at home, or you can get to a DC fast charger and get it charged in 45 minutes. So a lot of talk and chatter online with YouTube people about the screen, but I want to concentrate more on the driving dynamics of this car. Now, first of all, you got this nice little tiny screen. Now, why is it tiny? A lot of car manufacturers will give you a big screen, but this one is tiny, and the reason why it's tiny is because vital information. That's all you need, vital information. Your speed, what's your driving distance left, what's kilometers, time, date, temperature. That's enough. Everything else is right here. And then you got those very interesting aircon vents, which you'll probably never find on any other vehicle. The mood lighting, the interesting door handle, and a lot of space in the rear. Now, 3 adults can easily fit in this rear, no problem. Now, the company that builds this car, which is called Build Your Dreams, is a company that started off manufacturing batteries, all kinds of batteries, and then they moved on to electric car batteries, made popular, manufacturers were buying from them. Then they decided, hey, we might as well build our own electric car, and that's what they did. And they took features, the best of features from each of their competitors, and packaged it into this Atto3. That is why, as you get to know this vehicle, you'll start noticing a lot of very, very similar features found in electric cars costing much more. And at 169,000 ringgit, it's hard to miss.